Okay, Nintendo Switch. This is a rebound job, but not really a rebound job. It initially came in for not charging. I believe it was liquid damaged, and all I had to do was actually clean up the liquid damage, and that seemed to solve the problem. It is still charging, so that's not the problem. Uh, what has been described as the problem is that it's not charging the game cons, and the fan's not running. So we're going to see what's going on and see if we can figure out what's causing that problem with it being liquid damaged, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's not seeing them at all. And it's not finding them. Yeah, it's not seeing them at all, and I think they're probably completely dead. Yeah, it's not blinking or anything. Alright, so we will pull this one apart and see if we can't track down why the Joy-Cons are not charging. Okay? Okay, I just got done performing a little bit of a test. I unplugged the fan and then tried to plug it in to see if the fan was causing a problem. It does not seem to be causing a problem. So we're going to measure around and take a look around and see if we have another issue. I want to measure this diode. Let's see, I think my meter's still going there. Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, let's measure this diode. See if it's live. That is a dead diode. Let's make sure I'm not making contact with that other component. Want to try. See if I can try. I don't know if I can do this. Nope, not on those leads. Let me try my finer leads here. Just want to make sure I'm not making contact with that other component. So I'll get my needle size leads out here. I prefer the gold-plated ones myself. Uh-oh. What happened to the other one? Ah, it's on the ground. And these are all twisted up. Which is kind of fine. And kind of not. Alright, plug those in real quick. Alright. I'm definitely not making contact with anything else. Alright, that is a bad diode. Okay, after doing some searching, I cannot find this diode, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my Pico pencil I think we'll just attempt to remove said diode. There's a little bit of flux. And hopefully with the Pico pencil I can do so without damaging anything. Okay. We successfully pulled that diode. And let's see if we regain our Joy-Con after we do a little bit of cleaning here. Joy-Con and fan, both are not working. Let's clean up this mess best we can. More alcohol. And I think we'll bring our little most of this flux off at least. Not too worried about perfection. All right. See if we can get this fan connector or fan ribbon back in here. Not too much drama. Okay. I think we're ready for a test at least. Just throw our battery back in, grab my other charger. My primary charger is currently charging another unit that I fixed earlier. Alright, let's see what we get. I just want to see if the fan's working first. I don't know, maybe we should go in a game. I can go get a game. They have Zelda here. And the fan is now working. So, see if I can show you that. Oh, I got to put you back on bench here. So the fan is now working. Alright, see if I can get back out of this. Alright, let's connect our Joy-Cons. It's asking for that. Let's see if they recognize them. These things are stone cold dead. It looks like it's recognizing them. It wasn't recognizing them at all before, so it appears to be recognizing them now. Alright, let's see if I can get out of this. How do you get out of these? You can tell I have a switch. I own switches. Home. Yes. All right. It's seeing both Joy-Cons. That's fabulous. Let's go into controllers. Alright, so removing that diode seemed to solve the problem. I do not have any more of those diodes, so I'm just probably going to have to leave it off. If anybody knows or has a link towards those diodes, I would prefer to replace them. So just throw it in the comments and I'll be happy to order some. But anyway, I do believe we've solved the problem. And that's everything. That's everything for this repair anyway. Thanks for watching.